No need to pay for antivirus when there's Bitdefender antivirus free, so let's go and download and install it. So open up your browser, mine's Google Chrome, and type in Bitdefender free download. So the first link should be the one you want, so click on it. Make sure it loads up to this page. You can see the red button that says download antivirus free. Click on it and just wait a moment until the installer file is there. Click on the installer file, or go to your downloads folder if you don't see it there and install it that way. It'll download from the internet and then it'll install. Depending on how fast your computer is and your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. And once that's finished, you can see it start assessment or skip. I'm going to click on start device assessment just to show you what it goes through. It's just going to do like a very brief, very basic scan just to make sure your computer's okay. And as you can see, mine came back clean, which is great. And now that everything's okay, I can click on create an account, the big blue button there. So we'll do that. And this screen will pop up where it'll ask for your name, your email, and your password. I'm actually going to create a real account right now, so I'm going to blur out my name and my email. I just want to keep that private. And once I do that, you can see that it wants a password. But there's 3 criteria that it needs for the password. Once I start typing it in, it'll pop up with those 3 criteria. So it'll have to include lower and uppercase characters, contain at least 1 number or symbol, and be at least 9 characters long. So once you have a password that works, just click on the I agree with terms and then create account and give it a moment, and this screen will pop up. Just click on continue because you want to continue using the free version. You don't want a trial version. Click on the ransomware protection in the bottom right and then go back and click on finish. And now it just takes a moment to configure the antivirus free and you've got it installed. And the first thing it wants you to do is take a tour. And you can, it just shows you that everything's safe. This is what you have right here. And then I'll just show you, once you go through that you've got these 3 right here. You can do the scan, you've got the VPN, the quick scan, and these little lock symbols. It's because you've got the free version. So we'll go through and I'll show you what's available. Again, you've got these 3 right here, but everything else has the lock symbol, which is okay because, as I said, you just want the free antivirus. And again, there's the VPN. We'll talk about that in a bit. And then if we go through here, you can see the other stuff that's locked out. That's if you purchased the full suite, but we just want the antivirus. So right here, this is where the notifications pop up if something happens. And you can see we've only got 1 right now, and we can just delete it. So I'll just click on delete right here. There's a couple things we can do in the settings. The first one is if you want a password every time you load up Bitdefender, but I don't think we need one, so I'm just going to cancel that out. And the next one is the security widget. You can have that on screen. I just leave that off too. And then I just turn off special offers and recommendation notifications. I don't need that. If you need to change a language, you can. And then right here, you can change it to dark mode. It's easier on your eyes. I'm just going to switch it back though. We go into advanced right here. I wouldn't change anything with the proxy server. I wouldn't change any of the settings. And then you can go into the final thing right here and for updates. Now I would leave that as well. It's set to update. Right now it actually needs an update. It's not fully updated, and I'll show you that in a moment. But that happens every time you install it or install it for the first time. So I'm just going to close it out, and you can see you've got the icon on your desktop right here. And in the bottom taskbar, you open that up. You can see it's right there. But we're going to click on the Windows Security icon. So we open that up and we'll click on it here, and you can see that it says that Bitdefender needs an update. Like I said, that's normal. It'll update in the next hour or so, but right now you're protected and fine. But let's also turn on the Windows Defender. So you want to turn this on so they work in tandem with each other. It's always good just to have a backup for the antivirus. It's the basic Windows one, but once it's activated, you can see that you've got a bunch of options like you do with the Bitdefender. So now that you've got the Windows Defender and the Bitdefender active and protecting the computer, I'll close it down and I'll show you the free VPN that comes with Bitdefender as well. So we'll open it up and you can see by default it's not connected. And because it's the free version, you get a very small limit of the 200 megabytes per day. If you don't want the VPN to start up when your computer starts up, just go to settings and turn off this option right here. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you're not overspending on your antivirus. If you are and you've seen this video, now you know you can switch to the free Bitdefender antivirus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. You can leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.